I'm Satish Khanna, Chairman in Fullife Healthcare Private Limited, which is in Mumbai, headquartered. Well, it's a market, historically if we see, wellness market was very nascent, and it started from the Western world, the care for the health on the wellness to prevent sickness. And gradually it has come to India, and it's going up very rapidly because the new generation has understood the need to prevent, and also the affordability to see that they don't get into the regular health related problems by avoidance and taking wellness related supplements or habits. So it's all coming up, picking up and very rapidly in even Indian market. You know, this if we see Indian market in the healthcare, the total size is closer to 35 and tending towards $40 billion. Half is in India and half is from India. In such a large market, and it's growing very rapidly, in such a large market, the wellness is just coming in. It's still a baby. Just to give you an idea, the largest product of wellness in India is some 300 to 400 crores annual sales, the largest brand. And the very recent phenomena that Indian pharmaceutical industry has also started looking at it. Earlier we used to have just Revital, but that's the history. Now there is a revival of wellness related businesses coming up, and I foresee this will grow probably double the rate of conventional pharmaceutical industry going forward. Well, this anything which grows very rapidly has its own set of challenges which comes along with it, and Indian large pharma industry is focusing more on the global healthcare related products. So their focus on the wellness is not as strong as they have it on the sick care kind of therapy. So the responsibility of creating wellness oriented businesses is coming up to the new young entrepreneurs, and many have come up. And the challenges are these deep pocketed large pharma companies are not working on this as much as they should. And the smaller new young entrepreneurs, they are so much committed to it, so much passionate to it, they don't have deep pockets. So there is some kind of a balancing to be done in the opportunity size and the resource required to take that opportunity to the real potential. So that's one challenge, how this industry will grapple. But I think for great ideas, money is never in short supply. So and today the PE industry, there's a lot of funding coming to the young entrepreneurs who want to take wellness forward. So that challenge probably will be taken care. The second is this market is very large globally. The young new entrepreneurs may not be able to, they have a challenge to participate in the global market, and they don't have background of participating in global market. So they have to find a way how to do that, because the market is very large outside India, particularly in the Western world. And that's a challenge. How whosoever cracks the challenge better will create a lot of value for them. In India, majority of the large or middle-sized or even smaller pharma companies are concentrating or were concentrating historically only on sickness to be taken care. And they had a huge opportunity because the size of the population and the health standard, hygiene standards, and the problems we have, the lifestyles we have, there was immense opportunity in that. So most of the pharma companies concentrated on that. Fullife, when wanted to start, they wanted to come up with a business model which is unique, which is not copy paste from the existing things. And they decided that we will not be getting into wishing for more sickness so that our business grows, because the business growth of healthcare companies or pharmaceutical companies is very directly linked with the disease growth in the population of India. So which is a role which they were playing effectively, but then always wishing there is a more disease or more to be taken care and more revenue. Fullife decided that we don't follow that path. We work on the health of healthy people instead. not the health of sick people. There are different companies taking care of that or different industry taking care of that. So Fullife decided that we will be ensuring that the health of children, health of women, health of sports people, active people, senior citizens, the health is maintained, whether it is because they are having issues related to pregnancy or menopause in case of women, or in case of sports people, they have got wear and tear of muscles and bones and the electrolyte imbalances because of extra sweating. So Fullife said we will address all the issues which are outside the zone of sickness, but are issues to be addressed. If those issues not addressed, the person will fall sick. So Fullife decided to work on that, and that is spreading health, spreading wellness, spreading happiness end of the day, and that's the goal of every business. So Fullife chose that way. Well, journey of Fullife, the first decade almost done, had its all colors. The color of facing challenges, color of solving problems, color of bringing something very unique to the country for the first time in form of products or in terms of technologies, taking Indian brands, Indian products outside India in different continents, practically in all the continents by now, and mastering the technology which India never had, and creating in-house manufacturing facilities, creating team which is passionate, which is committed, which is global in their vision, and having excellent set of board investors and youngsters, how to give youth of our team members the vision of long term. We all had the journey during last 10 years gone through that. Fortunate we are that we have now created a portfolio of products, a large portfolio, which is becoming larger every year. In fact, during COVID year, we launched more than 30 products, the new products. And in the COVID year, we launched our products in new geographies. We opened up products to many new countries. We are available on Amazon in UK, available on Amazon in US. We are available in Middle East. We are available in probably all the 5 continents. So that kind of taking Indianness, Indian products, Indian innovation, Indian technology to the rest of the world during the most challenging pandemic times shows the grit and the strength of the organization overall. And if we see, we have been growing almost 45-50% year on year for the last 4-5 years, and I think this will only accelerate further. We will be growing even faster, and if we have grown 45-50% during the pandemic years, one can expect the growth when we are back to the normal times. And if you see, conventionally, the normal delivery system in the Indian market available to consumers is regular tablet, capsules and liquid. But we wanted to bring something totally different, unique, the delivery systems. So we have today the delivery systems in form of effervescence tablets, effervescence sachet, we have in form of liquid gels, we have in form of powders. We are trying to create technology in powders which is going to be breakthrough kind, where the taste of a food industry and benefit of healthcare industry comes together. Because typically any person who takes any product, they don't mind if it's bitter because they say it's healthy. But we are trying to bring taste, and we are trying to bring the fusion of taste and efficacy together on a new platform. You will see that coming to the market in coming days.